You all know that a famous person was named after charcuterie, right? Her name's Cher. Charcuterie! If I could turn back cheese. You're being leafy.
I am.
I love it. These are so cute. I would be on my ass. What are you talking about? What do you mean? Look at this when you go out on a walk. It's a curved room. I think there's a bear under there somewhere. Wood? Yep. That is a definite woodpecker tree. I think there's another one further out with more stuff. Oh, wow. What did we just do? Yay! And we survived! No bears! Well, me and Nick.
We're all very good.
Excellent answer. That is the answer I wanted to hear. What was your favorite cocktail so far? All very good. So ladies, who is the best mixologist? Oh! Your mom is hysterical. And what was your favorite drink? The skinny Mark?
Margarita.
Oh, Mark. I was like, who's Mark? Is it cute? Oh, the tequila sunrise.
Siesta.
The siesta was good.
No
Now we're
time.
ready for a siesta.